everyone, welcome to the first episode of Style Experiment. So in today's video, I'm going to style this white kurti in 6 different ways. So without any further ado, let's begin. For the first look, I paired this white kurta with a black denims which I recently got and this black jacket and completed the look with these gorgeous earrings. And for the hairstyle, I went with this plain joti, which actually looked so pretty with it. For look number 2, I paired the kurti with green leggings and this yellow and green dupatta, which I found in my mom's closet. For hairstyle, I tried this look with a braid and a high ponytail and loved how both the hairstyles complemented the look in totally different ways. And finished off the look with these gorgeous silver earrings. For look number 3, I paired this kurti as a top with this gorgeous printed skirt which I loved to bits and it looked so pretty. The hairstyle is a simple high ponytail and paired the look with these gorgeous looking earrings. For look number 4, I paired this kurti again as a top with these gorgeous looking maxi skirt attached with trousers, and for hairstyle I went with a top knot and also I tried this with a different hairstyle. You will see that in a while, and I paired this look with these gorgeous looking big earrings, and I love these earrings, which I borrowed from a very generous friend of mine. This look is my favorite out of all the looks. For the 5th look, I've paired the previous look with a gorgeous looking red colored tunic, and it has entirely changed the outfit to more on the ethnic side, and which I absolutely loved. For the 6th look, I've styled this kurti as a dress along with this black colored choker and this gorgeous looking black belt, and this look has turned out to be amazing. I'm in love with this look.